Hello, my name is Kevin with KLM Audio. Welcome to my 12th video on the Behringer X32 rack mixer. Here we will discover how to multi-track record using the Behringer X32 mixer and GarageBand. Make sure you are connected to the computer with X32 Edit and open up GarageBand. If you need help turning on your system and connecting your iPad to the mixer, please refer back to my first video. And of course, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell if you'd like to receive notifications of my next videos. First, we must connect the USB-A and USB-B cable from our computer to the USB card on the back of the Behringer X32 rack. We will be using X32 Edit on the computer. Let's look at the routing page. Select Routing on the right sidebar. Tab over to Card. Notice that card is installed on the X32 rack as shown in the window. Here you will see the source channel 1 through 32 are being sent to outputs 1 through 32. No changes are required. Open GarageBand. Select Empty Project. A window with Create a New Track will appear. Since we are recording from a mixer, we will select mic or line audio input. Select Create. At the top it will say Untitled Tracks and Audio Jack 1 will be on the main screen. Select GarageBand at the top of the screen. Select Settings. In the drop-down menu, Audio/MIDI, under Output Devices, select your speakers, either external headphones or Mac speakers. Under Input Device, select X-USB. This is where the mixer is coming in. Close the window. Select Audio Track 1. Select the control window. If it did not come up, it is the encoder symbol at the top of the screen. In the lower half, select Track. The first setting is record level. Because we are inputting from a mixer, you will not be able to adjust the level. Under Input, the circle button indicates mono channel. Here you can change to stereo. In the window, select Input Channel 1, X-USB, select Track at the top. Here you can rename the track, select a track color, select a track icon. Then select Configure Track Head and select Record Enable. This allows you to choose the individual channels that you actually recording at one time. Now, add a second track. You can hit the plus button above the audio 1 or select Track and then either New Track or New Track with duplicate settings. By selecting the track you wish to duplicate, you will still have to select your input channel at the bottom. Once you have your tracks added and labeled, you can begin recording. For demonstration purposes, I have connected my MP3 player to channel 13 and 14. I have a mic connected to channel 2. Select channel 2. There are 4 buttons on the channel: Mute, Solo, which looks like a headphone, Record, and Monitor. Select the Record button on the channel. Select Record at the top of the screen. Talk into the mic and you are recording. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To stop recording, select the play button. To hear your recording, select the play button with the cursor at the beginning of the track. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is my presentation on the 12th video in the series for the Behringer X32 rack mixer on multi-track recording. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to receive notifications of my next video in the series for the Behringer X32 rack. Thanks, I'm Kevin with KLM Audio.